everyone, my name is Rainier Bognot, also known as RB Racing, and I've been racing since 2017. And I've won multiple championships and also 2 consecutive Golden Wheel awardees. I started drag racing because, ayun nga, influence of my friends. Dati, nanonood lang talaga ako, but nayaya ako na tumakbo for one time. Nung nasubukan ko siya, I started learning the techniques and all of the things that you need to know. Doon na nagsimula yung career ko. Actually, yung first race ko here in Clark International Speedway, nag-champion ako. Nagtuloy-tuloy na ang career ko. Paano ko ba nagustuhan si VLF? Nakikita ko na si VLF pero it's not really known on the market. Interested din ako kasi hindi ko siya kilala. I was actually surprised na may flow form. Why choose flow form? Flow form kasi, nakalagay dyan is lighter, stronger. Actually, ang daming effect niyan. When it comes to lighter, it means fuel efficiency is better. Mas magaan umikot ang mags natin and tires. And at the same time, it's stronger than the conventional. Lalo na sa karera or sa daily, kailangan natin ng maaasahan. So, doon ko nagustuhan si VLF. Ang expect ko lang talaga is bibigyan niya ako ng 14.7, 14.8 na time. I did not expect na yung bibigay niya na time sa akin is maganda. I actually did 14.3 on this mag. It's really light, it's really strong since ginamit ko na dito sa racing. So it's really recommendable. Noong una, I really thought na parang same lang siya with the others. Pero si VLF special siya dahil nga dun sa type of process, flow form. Maganda rin yung design niya. Upon checking sa mga designs ni VLF, ang daming choices. Makakapili ka talaga ng gusto mo. Hindi lang siya pamporma. Matibay siya at saka maaasahan sa araw-araw at saka sa karera. I definitely recommend VLF to all other car users and also sa racing since it's proven now. If you want lighter and stronger wheels, please visit VLF Wheels now.